Managing HVAC services through calls and manual notes created frustration for customers and technicians alike. Booking appointments, tracking services, and processing payments were messy and unreliable. Delays, errors, and a lack of transparency slowed down the entire process. Vendee reached out to Sumato Solutions for a smarter, connected solution. We built Vendee, a mobile app that connects customers, technicians, and admins on one centralized platform. Customers now book services, track updates, and pay securely with ease. Technicians manage jobs, submit reports, and track earnings without hassle. Admins monitor users, control pricing, and keep everything transparent. No delays, no confusion, just faster, reliable HVAC services for everyone. Vendee, powered by Sumato Solutions, is transforming service management into a seamless digital experience.